Hey friends in Seattle, Washington, this is Whitney Capps with Proverbs 31 Ministries here in Atlanta, the deep South. I hope you guys are doing well. I just wanted to drop by and say hello because I'm going to be flying all the way across the country to come spend the day with you guys at your Unite Women's event, and I cannot wait. We're going to be talking about how you and I should aspire to be the kinds of girlfriends that God talks about in the Bible. Now, you may think God doesn't talk a lot about girlfriends, but He actually has profound things to teach us about how you and I enter into a relationship with one another. And can I just tell y'all, please still be my friend. I know y'all don't know me yet, but I am a rotten friend. Like, seriously, one of the worst. I totally forget birthdays. I don't really like to talk on the phone a whole lot. In general, I don't like other people's children. That's awful, isn't it? I hope some of y'all feel that way. I like my kids. I don't like other people's kids. Anyway, I'm not a great friend. And I used to just think it was sort of the quirkiness of my personality. And I am kind of quirky and I have my own issues. But I discovered that using that as an excuse, well, God just really wasn't going to let me get away with that. And so as I started to study the Word about what the Bible has to say about biblical friendship, God, as He always does, had a lot of stuff to teach me. And I want to share that with you. Now, these are not lessons that I've mastered. These are lessons that I am still struggling through. But I sure do hope that by the end of the day, you and I leave as friends. And I hope you're challenged to build deep, meaningful, transparent biblical friendships. So if you're a woman who has ever felt alone or ever felt like you just don't really have true friendships, you know, the ones that aren't just the, hey, how are you? Oh, that is wonderful. You know, because we do that a lot. And y'all might not sound quite as Southern as I do, but you probably do that too. Church girls sometimes get in the habit of having really surface relationships, and we're going to force ourselves to dig deep into biblical friendships. And I can't wait to spend time with you and start building some of those friendships when I see you guys in May. So go ahead and sign up now. It's going to be awesome. And so I hope that I get to hug your neck and meet you live and in person when we spend that Saturday together. Y'all have a great day.